fire as the night settles in. The echoes of laughter where life had been. Through generations, the stories flow, a thread of connection in the hearts we know. Grandparents' wisdom, soft and clear, memories of love that linger here. Though distance grows and time moves on, the ties remain, the bond is strong. Raise a glass to the lives we've known, the roots we've planted, the seeds we've sown. Through the years their love remains, a thread that binds through joy and pain. Now as a grandfather I've come to see the circle of life flows endlessly. My children chart their own wild seas, while I watch and marvel quietly. Friends who've drifted, friends who've stayed, each one a chapter in the life we've made. Though miles may part us, the ties don't fray. They live in my heart in a timeless way. Raise a glass to the lives we've known, the roots we've planted, the seeds we've sown. Through the years their love remains, a thread that binds through joy and pain. Stories told by firelight glow, to the waves that carried us where we'd go, to the hands that held us steady and strong, to the songs of life where we all belong. Raise a glass to the lives we've known, the roots we've planted, the seeds we've sown. Through the years their love remains, the thread that binds through joy and pain. In the stars above, in the ocean's roar, their voices linger forevermore. Raise a glass, let the memories flow, to the hearts we cherish, the love we know. This glass, let the memories flow.